explain about the algebraic expression part 1. In this we will learn about the polynomials. Most of the students they are confused in polynomial. Okay, so we will learn about the polynomial, an algebraic expression with constant variables and or exponents combined using plus, minus or multiplication, plus, minus or multiplication, but not division. Example: 5a power of 3 plus 2a. Okay, 5a power of 3 plus 2a. It is a polynomial. What is polynomial? An algebraic expression. See here, it is expression. It should be expression. If I am putting is equal to the example something, then it is not expression. It will become equation. To make it expression, this is equals to should be get off. Okay, expression with constants. Example: if I am taking 3 here, 3 is the constant. Okay, variables. A are variables. What is exponent? 3, and here exponent is 1. Combined using, it is combined by using addition, subtraction, multiplication. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, but not division. See here. Here it is multiplying. Here it is adding. If you want to put here, you can put. One more example we will take. 5a power of 3 minus 2y plus 3. Here subtraction. Okay, no problem. So it is polynomial. What is polynomial? An algebraic expression with constant variables and or exponents combined using plus, minus or multiplication, but not division. See, this total expression is combined with the multiplication, addition. Here multiplication, subtraction and addition. It is a polynomial. In some cases, the given expression will not become the polynomial. We will see that cases, no? Okay. Under which cases the given expression will not become the polynomial? See, if it depends, totally depends upon the variable. If the variable 5 power of minus 3, if you are taking 5 power of minus 3, if the variable power of the variable is negative, if the power of the variable is negative, or 5 root 1, if the variable is in under root, or 5 y power of 1 by 2, that means the variable should not be in the form of p by q. Again one more, variable should not be in denominator. If you find this, under this cases the given expression will not become the polynomial. If you find this type of cases, then in these cases the given expression will not become the polynomial. Once again I will explain you. Example: 6a power of minus, I am taking 3. Okay. Next, 6 root over a, or 6 a power of p by q, or 6 by a. If you find these cases, under these cases, given expression will not become the polynomial. Why it will not become polynomial? We will see. Example: 6 root over a. If I want to take out the root, what it will become? It will become 6a power of 1 by 2. 6a power of 1 by 2. The polynomial should not, the power of the variable should not be in the form of p by q in polynomial. Okay, next, 6 power of a minus, example p, a power of minus p. Just I am taking the example. Okay, so if I want to convert, it will goes to denominator. A will goes to denominator power p. So it is not a polynomial. Next one more, 6 a power of p by q. What it will become? 6 q of a power of p. Q of a power of p. It is not a polynomial. In some cases, example, if it is given 6 a power of minus p, it is a polynomial, because if you take to the numerator, it will become 6 a power of p. It will become 6 a power of p. Next, 6 root over a power of 2. This will get cancelled. What it will become? 6 a power of 1. It is a polynomial. Okay, it is a polynomial. Now, hope everyone understood. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.